Hi friends, good evening. Tomorrow Infi is going to come out with the result, and uh, Nifty IT is at a very important stage. So I thought of covering that. My cream counters, which is TCS, HCL Tech, and Infi, plus Nifty IT, and few other stocks which had TCD and which was having which was sitting at a very crucial level. So I thought of discussing that today. First, I'll share the screen, and then we'll talk about first Nifty IT. Okay, so this is Nifty IT. Now, exactly, it has touched my blue color and closed above, and this day high and low, which is actually 29 September low and 5th October low, which is the Drago and Kritika combination, and it is not giving that, and it is closing above only. So the fate will be decided tomorrow morning because of the Infi result. Okay, so till IT is not giving up this number, I'm talking about the IT index, which is 34,330, which I told you yesterday. There is, I'm expecting a bounce back, but any close below this, you need to be very careful in Nifty IT, because 5th October low, if it closed below that, then it's a real problem. But we will take our system number, which is 34,330. Any close below that level, you try to be very cautious on Nifty IT. Okay, and now we will go to Infosys. Okay, so now Infosys, the number is somewhere near 16,1628 level, and today it closed at somewhere around 1675 level. Let's see whether in case if it comes here, or it all depends on how the result is going to do well. I know do tomorrow. So watch out. The level to watch out is 1627. That is a level which we need to watch out in Infosys. Okay, and we'll go to TCS. Exactly, it came very near to this number, and this is what I discussed yesterday. Okay, this is the number which we need to watch out for, which is 3626. Okay, and today it came down to 3630 and closed at 3653. So in case if it comes here tomorrow by any chance, because of the Infi result, as I already told you, you can take TCS with 5 rupees stop loss. Okay, simple. Right, and Tech Mahindra, yes, Tech Mahindra is also at the bottom of my system, and the number to watch out is 1350. Okay, and Coforge, no, Wipro, that's already above, so no need to talk about Wipro. And HCL Tech, yeah, HCL Tech yesterday, there was a lot of buying, and today again, it came down by 4%, and exactly took the support at my system number, which is the blue color number, which is 1235. The number to watch out for in HCL Tech is 1217. So if you get here, roughly around 15 rupees stop loss, and if you get here, it is only 5 rupees stop loss. If you get at 1216, the stop loss should be 1209, not more than that. Okay, so you can take a chance, and I've already mentioned the important dates for Infosys, LTTS, and Nifty IT, which is 21st October, the date which we need to watch out for in Nifty IT. And for Nifty, it is 14th October, which is day after. You need to watch out for that counter. Okay, and I would like to discuss some of the one second. So these are the companies which had TCD today. Okay, and IRCTC, and tomorrow I'm expecting some big move because of the narrow CPR. This is a narrow CPR which I used to draw. Okay, and today the high is 4877 and the low is 4725. Okay, in case if you get somewhere near to this level, again the stop loss is only 10 rupees for this guy, 4725. Keep the number 4725. Okay, then upside potential is already there, and it went near to that 5000 which I predicted, and from there it is falling. Let's watch. Again, now if it close above 4877, it is again going to move up. Okay, and Siemens. See, this is the date, which is 12th October, and which is blue color TCD, which is very, very, what to say, very, very important for Ultratech as well as for ACC and Maruti, which all these three had the TCD today. So it exactly came and touched my red color system number. Okay, if I take this out, you will see. Okay, so exactly touched. So till it holds today's low, possibility of U-turn from here. Okay, and as already mentioned that Saturn will have a major impact on cement, metals, and a few more counters which I mentioned yesterday. Coal. Okay, so these company which we need to watch out for, and Ultratech, it closed below the yesterday's low. Okay, and exactly it is sitting at my system number. So till it holds this number, which is 7193, you don't need to worry, and you can take a chance from here, possibility of bounce back from here. Okay, so this is blue color TCD. So now I want to take it to this level for my understanding, and normally I keep certain combination in black, right? So this is about Ultratech cement. It is at the bottom in my system design. Okay, and if you go to ACC, this again certain combination, and today high and low is very, very small, so you can take a chance in this counter because the high is 2259 and the low is 2226. It is not more than 1.5% width today, so you can take a chance in this counter. And this is blue color TCD. Okay, so now any close below this candle, because it has broken my system design, so any close below this number only you need to worry about, which is 2194. Okay, so and you can go long above today's high, which is 2259 with the stop loss of 2226. Okay, this is ACC. And coming to Maruti, this is again a blue color TCD. I'm expecting some big move tomorrow in Maruti because of the narrow CPR. And this one is, the high is 7750 and the low is 7630. Okay, in case if it comes to 7360 level, you can take a chance in this counter because auto is in limelight in the last 5-6 days. So these are the counters which I'm now watching out. And one more company which is very interesting to me is this company which had the TCD today, which is HDFC AMC. This guy fallen very badly from 3,300 level to 2,920 level, and last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days it's actually a consolidation. And today the width is very, very small. You can take a chance in this counter, which is now 2920 and 2895. So any close or any move about 2920, you can take a chance in this counter with the stop loss of 25 rupees, which is today's low. Today's low is 2895. Okay, so this is HDFC AMC, and this guy is going to have a major TCD tomorrow. LIC Housing Finance, and this is also having a narrow CPR, so watch out for this guy tomorrow. It's a big day. Okay, and coming to TCD, just a minute. Moving to TCD, LIC Housing Finance is having the TCD on 13th. 14th is Lupin. 15th is 14th is Lupin and BHL. BHL did very well today. And my important stock which I'm going to watch out for is iBull on 15th of October. Okay, watch out for this guy on 15th of October. And this is what I mentioned. The elephant is having the bigger TCD on 19th, which is Adani Enterprises. and Adani Port is having a major date, which is a yearly date happening on 28th of October. So watch out for these two guys. Adani Enterprises, it's trading within the range. Anytime it breaks out, there will be at least 300 to 400 rupees more on any side. Okay, and that is why I send that WhatsApp thing to you. So watch out for that. Adani Enterprises. And tomorrow stock to watch out for is LIC Housing Finance, and 15th is Indiabulls. And today Can Bank did very well, went up by 5%, and our SBI finally it closed above 472. According to me, just a start. Let's see. Just now, my guru sent me a message saying that PSU Bank, it's going to be the next metal, because we have seen metal, Tata Steel went up by 4 times or 5 times rather, and SAIL, NMDC all went up by roughly around 3-4 times. And he's saying the rally which we saw in metals is nothing when compared to the PSU banks which you're going to see in the next future. So PSU banks will be your focus. As I already mentioned last time, yesterday's video, that start accumulating SBI, start SIP in SBI every month, at least 100 shares, 200 shares, and keep it for long term. It will definitely fetch you, a phenomenal wealth. Okay, so thanks a lot. We'll see you tomorrow. Nifty did very well today. Even Bank Nifty also did very well today with the help of PSU banks. And tomorrow there may be some rally in ICICI Bank because of the narrow CPR. Because today private banks did nothing, so most probably tomorrow it may take a vengeance and then it will bounce back. But the stock to watch out for tomorrow in private bank is ICICI Bank. Okay, thanks a lot. Good night. Again, I'm saying I'm not a semi-registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock or mutual funds. Thank you. Bye.